Hello guys, I'm very excited to announce this new feature in RepairBuddy, time log. From settings you can turn it on if it's not already on, and you can also set the price for the to apply it and tax. Then you have to enable time log for job statuses, like for which status you want time log to work, like if you want it to work for in process, in service, in designing. And here you can define some activities as one per line, whatever activities are being performed in your repair shop. And here you can manage your staff. In your staff you have administrator, managers, and technicians. Technician have limited access, they just able to log the time, but manager and administrator have higher accesses. Here you can define the rate for this customer, like Zumaratik. You can define the rate for client and the rate for tech to pay. So the tech will only see the rate they are being paid, and client rate is what will be applied on the job, like this rate. Once you have done these things, then in job, only the technicians you have selected here, like if in this job you have multiple technicians, you can also select yourself as an administrator, as a technician of this job if you want to work yourself, or if you want your store manager to work as a technician on this job, or if you have technicians, like I have added myself here, so I can log the time. Once your technician are you or admin, technician can go from their dashboard to time log screen, and then they can select the job by job number, and you will see that 309, this job is eligible for time log because its order status is in service, and if it was some other status it would not be eligible for time log. And now you will see that you want to log time for job or the devices in this job, like MacBook Air. As you can see, there are two devices in this job, and you can select the device. Then technician can start logging the time by defining it like this, whatever, then selecting the activity. And if it's not billable, it's just for tracking the time, then select no. And if you want to add into job bill, select yes. Then time tracking starts. You can also maximize screen so computer do not go off, and you can also change the color if you want some different colors. All right, and here you can add manual time entry. Time less than 1 minute will not be recorded. And here here you can see this month's progress, weekly progress, yearly progress, and many these type of things. So I will stop the timer. Once your timer is logged, technician can see all their log times here with the job details and everything. You can see, because technician can see everything here, and admin will see all the time log entries here. The pending means it's not billed, it's not billable. And when a time is billed, it will be added here, like consultation time log TL20. It will also select the device automatically if you logged it for device, and it will add the text you selected here, and it will charge the time to client. You can easily remove it if you don't want this to apply on the job. So this is how the time log is working right now, and I hope this will be the very useful feature where you can have some stats here, and all time entries technician can see it, and you can also see it. You can also filter by technician, you can filter by dates, you can filter by activity. That there are many filters. So let me know if you have any questions. So thank you.